Soon your child will start kindergarten. This is a significant milestone for your entire family. You may wonder as you prepare for this transition if your child is ready. What does it mean for a child to be ready for school? A ready child has a love of learning, is healthy, curious about the world, interactive with others, has self-control, and a family that supports them. The transition to kindergarten is a process that works best when families, elementary school staff, and early childhood educators come together to support each individual child.
Please ask. Don't be afraid to ask. Anything that's concerning to you, we want to hear, and we want to make sure that you understand what your child is going to be doing every day and how we're going to help them adjust to school.